This is Bob My Money. Today is January 13th, and welcome to my live trading journal with live commentary, scalping the ES, making $500 a day, trading only one setup, the two-legged pullback. And I'm glad you can join me today. If this is your first time here, essentially trade one setup, and it's the two-legged pullback. It's a setup that looks like this. ABC pattern or ABC pattern, and we like to enter into the second entry here. So we like to find the reversal here or reversal here, and we like to find this setup in key areas such as moving averages, support resistance levels, trend lines, channels, and this is the setup that we like to look for. The reason why we like to look for this particular setup is because of trader psychology. Every time that the market tries two attempts at something, then and it fails, then typically it does the opposite. And so we see the reversal here. So it tries to make two attempts down, one attempt down, and another attempt down, and it fails to go lower and reverses. And there we have our reversal, our two-legged pullback, or what we also like to call it a second entry. And so yeah, if you'd like to know more about the strategy, more details about the strategy, go ahead and check out the channel. And there's playlists about how to look for the two-legged pullback, how to count legs. And so I'll put a link in the description below so you can easily find it. But essentially, yep, this is the setup we're looking for. And yeah, and also if you'd like to have more information about the indicator here, that basically identifies two-legged pullbacks and counts legs for you automatically. Also, it gives alerts to upcoming two-legged pullbacks, and if you get the deluxe edition, you also have the capabilities to do automated trading. And yeah, so if you don't know, two-legged pullback fam has been working. The community here has been working on automated strategies day and night. And I'll tell you, the community slaps, and we're working hard and back testing our strategies. And most people are asking, why don't you just run the strategies all the time? Well, it's because just like you, we are back testing and we want to make sure that it's profitable. And so we are working together as a community to test and make new strategies. So yeah, I hope that's helpful. Anyways, I'm already up, or I finished the day today, and I'm up. What are we? 750. And so yeah, stick around for the rest of the video and you can see the trades that I've done. And I basically traded the first 90 minutes of the day and the last 30 minutes of the day. So altogether about 2 hours of work, 750 bucks, not bad. So yeah, if you'd like to see the trades, stick around, and as always, happy trading and God bless. Oh yeah, before I forget, if these videos have been helpful for you, click like and subscribe. That helps us a lot, helps this channel a lot, helps the two-legged pullback community a lot. And we would love if if you guys would decide to join our community as well, so we can work together to make automated strategies. So yep, that's it. So enjoy. Got ourselves a nice little two-legged pullback, A, B, C. Looking for this here off the 20 MA, breaking out of this small range, and if it reverses, then we have a nice setup here. Priming up my order off the 20 MA, Two-legged pullback, strong uptrend. See if we get a good signal bar here. Good enough for me, closing above the trading range here. Two-legged pullback. Okay. Came down, but I'll keep it here for a good signal bar. One more spike down. See if it closes above the trading range here. Struggling. Struggle. Terrible signal bar now. Still do have a two-legged pullback, but that's a strong bear bar. Closing near its low. Gonna need something pretty convincing here. Chain range break. Most likely will come back in. Retest the highs. The decent signal bar here, I'll be interested. Has to be good. Ooh, it's good enough for me. There we go. A, B, C. 20 MA. Breaking out the range. And if it comes back in, it'll be a failed breakout. Strong uptrend. Alright, I'm in the trade. Set this right. Feel me? Feel me? Come on, there we go. Alright. First scalp of the day. I'm interested here because of the 3 pushes up here. These typically fail around the 3rd push. Let's see if we get it. 1, 2, 3 pushes up here. It's taking forever. My goodness. Printing up my order. 3 pushes up. We have a bona fide wedge here. All right, those who went short here are getting stopped out now. Three pushes up. Just waiting to get for the reversal here. Finally, all right, we're in. Took forever, but let's set this right. We have a two-legged pullback here. A, B, C, and a trap waiting here. And you're thinking that, yeah, we'll come back down and test the bottom of this range here. Trap triggered. There it is. Yeah, you're thinking it's going to come back down here, and this two-legged pullback is just too small here and ultimately trapped. We're actually up 750, but 691.80 with commissions. So, yep, let's wrap it up there. It's pretty much end of day. Hope that's been helpful, and as always, happy trading and God bless.